Can you see there how it just slides right over? And this is the flap where the skin was brought up from the back of the leg.
So a lot of times I just turn it on the lowest setting manual, and I stick it on the lower part of their rib cage where I know that the diaphragm is, and I can have the patient just put the hands on the tool and they can just focus on their breathing.
You can use any one of the settings that you want, but I just went for 1 minute on the belly button, and if I can back up a little bit here, treated about 10 patients. Had one of my athletes set a PR that day. Two of the gals that work in the office said they felt a profound sense of calm after doing that.
Okay, this is one of my favorite tools to use in my practice, doing massage and osteopathic manual therapy. I put it on a slightly, if they can handle it, I put it on a slightly higher, probably like the second frequency up, and I just stroke down the spine. I noticed this on a patient who had high anxiety, was terrified about taking a trip, and she had a lot of auditory processing disorder. And within just a few minutes, she was completely calm, and I was able to do a lot more on her. And I like to do that first program, just that first button, and set up right on, right at the base of the skull. So I'm kind of slightly angling that wing or superiorly on the base of her skull, and let the program just do its thing. Feel that release, and it helps my clients a lot. I can do a lot more. I can treat the body while the head is getting treated. Just relax. And so it's kind of like killing two birds with one stone. Helps them calm down, helps to really turn off that sympathetic nervous system so that I can do more. Because once those sympathetics are off, it's so much easier to treat people.
We're going to pop the Tuna Pro on the blue mode, which is the relaxation mode. We're going to get him to sit up, and we're going to place it under his neck, and then we'll ask us to lie down, and then we've got it under the neck like that, and we'll let it go through 3 cycles. Alright, so we've got the machine on Naz's neck. So what we're doing here is we've put on the blue cycle. We're going to go through 3 cycles. This is stimulating the vagus nerve, so releasing some of the serotonins and endorphins, and relaxing the central nervous system. We've got the Tuna Pro inside the mouth. We can see we've got it right into the jawline there. We've got it on blue mode, so it's going to go through the cycles of the relax mode. Nuz is going to move the machine around so that he can pressure on any points that are sorer than others or any side. And we're going to get him to open and close his mouth as wide as he can. Just having a beautiful hum there as well. How's it feeling, Nick?
It's good. I want more.
So Nick gets a lot of migraines and TMJ problems. So now we're releasing the jawline. She looks totally blissed out at the moment. We'll see how she goes once we're finished. So we've just worked on Nick for the past hour with the Rezzimax and a little bit of trigger point therapy as well. How are you feeling, Nick?
A little bit spacey, so I can now breathe in without sharp pain, which is definitely further than what thought we'd get today, and I don't feel like I've been smashed, which sometimes trigger point can feel a bit. You feel a bit battered. I don't feel battered. I feel a little bit la la la.
Okay, we've got Monica here. She suffers from tightness in the jaw. You can see her jaw area is really tight, and it actually sticks out a little bit. So we're going to do some treatment with the Rezzimax and try and release the jaw area. You can see there, it's very tight. Okay, so we've just done 20 minutes. We've done about 5 to 7 minutes inside the mouth on the jaw, and about 10 bit more than 10 minutes on the neck area, and then also a little bit of scraping, and you can see the jawline has just totally relaxed. How do you feel, Monica?
Like I've had a full body massage. Oh my god, it feels weird me talking actually. I think I'm gonna have to learn how to talk again.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is Jack today. Jack is in A. This is Jack. Today Jack is in a wobbly mode. He feels funny in his tummy.
You can use the wings on the Rezzimax tool and just flow along the muscle. You can do it just gentle, you don't have to do anything deep. How does that feel?
Feels really good.
It's relaxing, isn't it?
Very relaxing.
In the mornings, and I normally lie down either in bed or on the sofa to relax all muscles, and I start with the head and I go from the front to the back and back to the front, and then I spend quite a bit of time, probably 10-15 minutes on my head. Good spot is in the middle of the eyebrows, the top of the nose. Then I spend a bit of time on the sinuses, and I still have got a blocked nose, but it is not as severe than what it used to be. Towards the elbow, as I feel quite a sensation around the elbow, and then into the hand and up again. My tennis elbow is half as bad as what it used to be.
This is how we use the Rezzimax here with the animals. This one just loves it. Really calms her down. She enjoys it. I enjoy it. Nothing like this on a cold winter's night in New Zealand. Coco loves it.